What is going on, everyone? Auto Endeavors here, coming back at you with another video today. Today we're going to be talking about the Ford Maverick and its customizability, as well as some of its do-it-yourself easiness. So basically, Ford has decided to make this the easiest vehicle to be a DIYer on. And they've added some very unique things to this vehicle that they have not added in previous vehicles before, in that they want this vehicle to be a vehicle that the consumer is able to customize themselves, as well as do it yourself, adding on modifications that help better their needs overall. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at an article talking about this very subject, on how Ford has made the Maverick the best do-it-yourself truck since they started making trucks. Okay, everyone, so I have an article pulled up here on Motor One's website, and we're going to take a look at what all it has to say about the DIY abilities of the Ford Maverick and what Ford is offering for their Maverick customers to be able to do on their own. So basically, and there's a video kind of showcasing some of the features available that you can look at on your own time. I will be linking this article in the description down below, so you will be able to see it for yourself. But basically, the Ford Maverick will arrive with more than a few tricks up its sleeve when it goes on sale later this year. Ford has engineered some creative features into the bite-sized pickup truck that make it much more useful and customizable for owners. This is great news because a lot of people that buy pickup trucks usually like adding some stuff themselves, and they don't really like paying a high cost of having professional installation on their vehicle. Some of the features includes a pair of 12-volt, 20-amped pre-wired power sources located in the truck's bed. And as most people know, the truck's bed is where most of the customization goes on. Within pickup trucks, people like to add lights and cameras and all kinds of different things to the pickup truck bed. They also like to use their pickup truck bed for actual work purposes. And so the fact that you can add certain electric applications to the pickup truck bed is great news for Ford Maverick owners. Ford published a handy video highlighting owners could use the features, showing off how to install an air compressor and LED truck bed lighting. The Maverick offers a 2-pin connector on either side of the truck bed, hiding the connectors behind a removable plate that keeps the wiring out of sight. The video lays out all the parts you need to take on for both projects before showing their step-by-step installation. So as you can see here, here's the video up here, and you will be able to check out this on your own time, like I mentioned. But basically, Ford is allowing you to add stuff to the bed electric-wise. So this added electric feature in the bed of the Maverick pickup truck is very different from the Ford F-150 in that it is not a standard outlet per se, but it does give you the ability to add certain electric components to the truck bed if you so desire for different applications. So basically down here in this section, it talks about how the do-it-yourself solution, or EDIY if you're fancy, like Ford, is not plug-and-play affair, as owners will need to do some electrical work to install their accessories. However, Ford's videos guides are quite thorough, and they should give first-time thinkers and tinkerers the confidence they need to begin learning how they can customize their pickup truck, as the company will offer an assortment of aftermarket upgrades and accessories. Goodies are likely to include a bike carrier, a large roof-mounted cargo box, and more. Ford's pre-wired kit is just the latest example of the automaker thinking about how customers could use the Maverick. Earlier this year, Ford said it would allow owners to 3D print their own accessories that work with the truck's Ford integrated tether system, which allows owners to add things like additional cup holders, a cord organizer, a storage bin, or whatever else the owner can dream up. Ford's focus on customers and customization is helping to make the Maverick a compelling and affordable product to many. It has amassed more than 100,000 reservations so far. So this is a hot pickup truck, and a lot of people are pre-ordering it, and Ford is really going all out and making it so that you can DIY a lot of things yourself, and you can add a lot of things to the bed. Now, it did mention how this is not just simply plug and play. There will need to be some custom modification work that needs to be done in order for this to be used to the most of its ability. But Ford has put out lots of videos such as this to give you the best example of what you will need to do in order to use those electrical outlets in the bed. Now, this is great news for those of you who pre-ordered this vehicle or were considering picking up this vehicle when it does release. And Ford is being proven to be a car brand that is dedicated to its consumers and is trying its best to give its consumers exactly what they want in regards to this pickup truck. Down here we can see there's another video in this article that shows up close details of the Ford Maverick and some of the things you can expect. But nevertheless, this is going to be an interesting vehicle once it starts getting rolled off the lots, and it will be interesting to see what exactly happens with this vehicle and what some of the cool and interesting modifications that people do with those electrical outlets in the bed. I can only assume that different individuals are going to use it for different needs, but it seems like it is an addition to the truck that is going to fit a lot of people's needs and be able to be used by a lot of different individuals for a lot of different uses. So, with all that being said, epic stuff coming out for the Ford Maverick. We constantly are learning new things as the vehicle is being produced and manufactured. We will just have to wait and see once these things start hitting the road what exactly people have in mind for that electric socket in the bed. But nevertheless, I appreciate everyone for stopping by and checking out the Auto Endeavors channel today. Be sure to hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date future updates on the Auto Endeavors channel. Be sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on this new news that we have learned about the Ford Maverick as far as the electricity in the bed and Ford's kits that they're going to be revealing and releasing to go along with the bed and the ability to do it yourself? Let me know all that in the comment section down below. And with all that being said, until next time, we'll see y'all.